Well-crafted and stylish heels can enhance any outfit and instill confidence in your stride. However, many of these heels, despite their allure, can prove to be uncomfortable, turning your night out into a painful experience where having fun is hard to do. Here's my list of heels that can make a big difference in your comfort level. Platform heels. Wearing stiletto heels for extended periods can be quite uncomfortable. While they may add a stylish touch to your outfit, the discomfort they can cause is undeniable. Despite this, many individuals wear them throughout the day, enduring the discomfort for the sake of fashion. However, you must recognize the importance of prioritizing comfort and health when selecting footwear. Finding a balance between style and comfort is key to ensuring a positive experience when wearing heels. And that is where platform heels come in. They are more comfortable than traditional heels because the sole extends from the heel to the toe, providing a more even elevation and distributing weight across your foot. This can reduce pressure on your foot and discomfort. These heels can also provide greater stability than traditional heels. Platform heels are one of my best because they add height and elegance to an outfit and can be worn for a longer. The next heels are low heels. It's often said that low heels embody the mantra of slow but steady because they provide a comfortable and stable option for daily wear, allowing you to navigate through your day with ease and confidence. If you're seeking footwear that can keep up with your daily activities without sacrificing comfort, low heels are the perfect choice. Their modest height offers a balance between style and practicality, making them a reliable option for prolonged wear. Choosing low heels ensures that you can maintain your stride comfortably throughout the day, making them a wise investment for everyday wear. Most experts recommend heels no higher than 2 inches to reduce the risk of falls or ankle twists, promoting a more natural walking posture and minimizing discomfort or injury. This is why I adore these heels. They will alleviate stress on your body. Additionally, they are versatile enough to be worn for both casual and formal occasions, from brunch to date nights, graduations, and work events. The next is open-toed heels. If you're aiming to highlight your sexy feet, opt for open-toed heels. They offer enhanced comfort, allowing for better air circulation around the foot, which can prevent sweaty toes and contribute to foot health. Additionally, they're convenient to slip on, perfect for those hectic moments. Do you know that heels with good arch support can improve your posture and reduce the chances of hurting your ankles or toes? And for someone with foot problems like bunions or hammer toes, open-toed shoes can be a better choice because they don't squeeze your feet as much as closed-toe. So remember to keep that in mind next time you go heel shopping. Among these 3 types of heels, I would only recommend the lower heels if you're the type who wears heels every day. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.